Dear learners, today, the focus of my presentation is short answer type tests, its merits and demerits. Let us try to understand short answer type tests. A short answer type test is a form of assessment commonly used in education. In this type of test, students are required to provide concise and focused responses to questions or prompts. They are efficient for assessing specific knowledge and skills and are suitable for recall-based assessments. Short answer questions typically have specific correct answers or a set of acceptable responses. Let's delve into the components, characteristics, and examples of short answer type tests. Components of a short answer type test 1. Questions or prompts. Short answer tests include a series of questions or prompts, each designed to assess specific knowledge, skills, or concepts. These questions can be open-ended or close-ended. 2. Word limit. Short answer questions often come with a word or line limit to ensure brevity. Students must provide their answers within these constraints. 3. Response format. Responses can vary in format but are usually brief and written in prose. They may require a single-word answer, a sentence, a brief paragraph, or a mathematical calculation. Now let me discuss various characteristics of short answer type tests. 1. Focused assessment. Short answer questions are typically designed to assess specific learning objectives or outcomes. They target discrete pieces of information or skills, allowing instructors to evaluate student understanding of key concepts. Example: in a biology class, a short answer question might ask, "What is the function of the mitochondria?" 2. Objective grading. Short answer tests tend to have objective grading criteria. There is usually a correct answer or a set of acceptable responses that instructors can use to assess student performance. Example: in a history exam, a short answer question could be, "Who was the first president of the United States?" The correct response is George Washington. 3. Efficient assessment. Short answer tests are efficient for both administration and grading, making them suitable for large classes. Grading is typically quicker than for essay-style questions. Example: in a mathematics course, a short answer question might ask, "Solve the equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. 4. Clear communication. Students are required to communicate their answers clearly and concisely, fostering skills in effective written communication. Example: in a literature class, a short answer question could be, "Explain the theme of love in Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet in a sentence." Examples of short answer type test questions 1. Science: state the law of conservation of energy in one sentence. 2. Mathematics: find the area of a rectangle with a length of 6 centimeters and a width of 4 centimeters. 3. History: who signed the Declaration of Independence first? 4. Literature: what is the protagonist's name in To Kill a Mockingbird? 5. Physics: what is the C unit for measuring electric current? 6. Psychology: define operant conditioning in a sentence. Now let us understand merits of short answer type tests. 1. Focused assessment. Short answer type tests are highly focused, allowing instructors to assess specific knowledge, skills, or concepts effectively. 2. Efficient administration. These tests are efficient for both test takers and educators. They can be completed relatively quickly, making them suitable for assessing a wide range of topics in a single test session. 3. Objective grading. Short answer questions often have clear and objective grading criteria. Instructors can easily determine whether a response is correct or incorrect, reducing grading subjectivity. 4. Clear communication skills. Responding to short answer questions requires students to communicate their thoughts and knowledge concisely and clearly. This cultivates valuable written communication skills. 5. Effective feedback. Short answer tests provide opportunities for instructors to give specific feedback to students. This feedback can help students understand their strengths and areas needing improvement. 6. Suitable for recall. Short answer questions are ideal for assessing factual knowledge, definitions, calculations, and straightforward explanations. 7. Time efficient grading. Grading short answers is typically quicker than grading longer essays or open ended questions. This is especially beneficial for educators with large class sizes. Lastly, let us discuss demerits of short answer type tests. 1. Limited depth. Short answer tests may not assess the depth of a student's understanding, especially for complex or multifaceted topics. They often focus on surface level knowledge. 2. Guesswork. Students may resort to guesswork if they are unsure of the correct answer, potentially leading to inaccurate assessments. 3. Lack of creativity. These tests may not allow students to showcase their creativity, critical thinking skills, or ability to construct complex arguments. 4. Grading subjectivity. While short answer tests are generally less subjective than essay questions, there can still be subjectivity in grading, particularly for responses that fall in a gray area between correct and incorrect. 5. Time constraints. Some students may struggle with time constraints when responding to short answer questions, limiting their ability to provide well thought out responses. 6. Limited assessment of higher order skills. Short answer tests are less effective for assessing higher order thinking skills such as analysis, synthesis, and evaluation, which often require more extended responses. 7. Overemphasis on memorization. These tests may encourage rote memorization rather than deep understanding, as they often reward factual recall over critical thinking. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokin Bilal.